Tip of the day number 9, windshield wiper alignment. All right, guys, I want to teach you a little something that you may not know about your wipers. There is an alignment procedure to make sure that they get those wipers straight across through there and that they are lined up perfectly, okay? And the way we do this is by the windshield. Check this out. There's some markings on the windshield. You can see right there, this little T-looking thing. And if I raise up the wipe arm, you can see another one there, and another one there, and then there's another one on that corner over there, okay? Now, what this is for is when you are to have the wipers off, okay, and you're going to put this back on. Now, why would you have the wipers off? Let's say you folded the windshield down. You got to take those wipers off before that. When you go to back to reinstall that, you want to line it up with this marking right here. You see that little marking right there, all right? That's going to say that it is straight and level, all right? Right there, all right? Now we got that there. Once we have that there, then we know that that wiper arm is gonna be straight. As you can see, both of those are just straight across from each other, perfect, okay? That's the way they should be. One shouldn't be down further than the other because that would just be silly. But that helps you align it up. Now, how about that? I bet you didn't even know about those markings on the glass. Guys, I hope you're smarter now than you were when you started this video. If you enjoy this great Jeep tip of the day information, make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you next time.